It's summer, the birds are roaming, I have a cool drink out and I'm about to take a sip, but a damn fly lands on it. Now I could be a normal person and try to put an old cap back onto my drink, but for my germaphobe mind, this unstable, loose-fitting, fleeting image of its old self, the cap, does not cut it. I want the safety of my drink to be assured from all sides so no flies can get in. Revopoint recently sent me their Metro Y Ultra and I have some 3D printers and TPU here. So let's see if I can make a quick custom bottle cap. Here's my plan. First I will use the Revopoint 3D scanner to get the shape of the bottle, then bring it into Fusion 360 and create a tight fitting bottle cap. Print a test piece on my Snapmaker U1, which is my dedicated TPU printer, and make any necessary corrections. And at last I will also engrave the top of my bottle caps to make fun designs. Let's get right into it. This is going to be the drink I am scanning today with A-Sub state-of-the-art scanning spray. Hold my breath deeply and do a safety squint. There. I'm gonna hope that's covered enough. It's time to start scanning. You can see here on the screen, so it's recognizing the markers. And now I can press start. And it's immediately detecting it in software. I think it could use more scan spray. And we do the one-click fusion, I believe. Three MF, why not? Let's go. 3 MF and now it will load up. There we go. And now I have my bottle in Fusion 360. The scanning was really easy and I want to note that because the bottle was translucent I had to use scanning spray, otherwise this would not be necessary. But now let's get back to CAD. Let me rotate that. And the model is in. Crudely trace the outside of this lip. Alright, so next we have to find the midpoint line of one of these edges. Here, the most outer point to the left, that is 26 point. A midpoint line. Mirror around this line. Just draw a point from here to here this time. Offset this entire line by 0.3 so that there's some space between the bottle and the inside of the bottle cap. And then I offset it once again by wall thickness. And then I revolve back to the revolve. First, when we revolve, we only revolve this side. The bottom is open. Next, I would like to get the inside dimensions of this into my design. This side does not look accurate. Do this side and then I'll mirror it. Now I have my bottle piece with the cap piece. Now I can revolve it. Offset plane. And now I can decide where do I want to chop it. I'm sure the dimension is accurate sort of until here. As a perfect bottle cap, bottle protector. The only thing I'm looking at is how do I print it, and it will probably need some sort of chamfer here. Off to the Snapmaker U1. Thick enough walls all around. Upload and print. Select printer. It loads. Send it. Then I'll come back and check on the printer in 10-20 minutes whenever it's ready. But I also have to say this BQ Moreflex TPU is good stuff. And here is our, let's go, let's test it out. Cool, cool, cool. So we got the lid and the bottle, and it feels like perfect. Oh no, that is too good, too good. Snaps, do you hear that? Ah, brutal, I'm happy with that. Okay, at this point I was really happy and the bottle cap fit so tightly that it was pretty much finished. The only real issue remaining was, how do I open this? So the last thing I did was add a lip for easy opening. I added a sphere in the corner of the lid, cut that sphere in half, and added some slots to the bottom for better grip with your fingers. But because this half sphere was floating in mid-air with the way I printed it, I also added a 45-degree cut through it so it can support itself while printing. The final parts look awesome, and the extra engraved artwork is just fun. So we're basically done here. I have my bottle caps ready to go for the summer, and while we are at the summer, all my affiliate partners are having a big summer sale right now, including Revopoint, with their Prime Day promotions. So if you're interested in checking out the 3D scanner I used, or purchasing any of the 3D printers I enjoy using, the Snapmaker U1, Bamboo Labs, or even the Makera Z1, I would appreciate if you clicked my affiliate links and used those to do your purchase, because it really helps my channel out in the long run. Otherwise, I would love to hear your opinion about this project, or generally any interesting projects you guys have on your mind. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!